We've taken a major step for our company, and we've done it for you. That's why we're proud to announce that we've achieved ISO 9001 certification, which we see as an important step towards becoming one of your best-run suppliers. We now meet the requirements of ISO 9001, the international standard signifying our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Achieving ISO certification represents our dedication to better serving your business. For us, complying with the ISO standard means much more than simply checking a box. Compliance means tying our internal goals to our customers' needs and putting all our energy into meeting those goals. While the ISO standard provides an important framework for our systems, the most important standards we meet are your standards as a valued customer. For this reason, we will continue to make real, measurable improvements in our business processes with you in mind. The way we see it, reaching certification is just the start of a never-ending process of continual improvement. We're proud of our certification, and we can't wait for you to see the difference we can make for you for years to come.